Hi, everyone. I'm Rebecca Foster, the founder and lead designer at Align Interior Design. And today we're going to go over 5 easy ways to spark joy in your living space, essentially create a space that you love. These tips work for every single room type and they're super simple to implement, so stick with me till the end. All right, let's dive in. Tip number 1. Let's talk about having a focal element that's a conversation starter. When you walk into your living space, have one design detail, one special item, or maybe even a color that stands out. Make it something that you love, something that has a story, and it will spark a conversation. Being proud of the space that you live in will automatically spark joy. For instance, I once helped a client feature a vintage record player that they had inherited from their grandparents, and it became the centerpiece of their living room. Not only was it a great conversation starter, but we based their entire living room design around it, and it added so much personality to the space. Okay, tip number 2. Add layers with texture. A room that feels alive has multiple different layers. From the floor with like a soft rug pad to a beautiful weaved rug to a sofa with patterned pillows, maybe even a throw blanket, to that beautiful lime wash wall paint and a soft sheer window drapery in front of it. All of these add texture. These elements are what's bringing life to your space. Something else that really helps is layering the lighting in the ceiling. You want a mix of general lighting, which is essentially your pot lights, mixed with accent lighting, which is hanging or decorative lights, and task lighting. Task lighting could be something like a picture light or under cabinet lighting, that sort of thing. And always put it on a dimmer. You'll notice that the spaces that feel really cozy and welcoming have layered design details, textured, and layered lighting. Okay, tip number 3. Choose materials that reduce stress. You shouldn't feel the need to throw a blanket over your sofa before your friends come over because you're worried about them spilling. Before you order anything for your space, understand the material options and choose a low maintenance option so that you can focus on being in the moment rather than just maintaining it. And I always encourage stain resistant fabrics specifically for your sofa and your dining chairs. This allows you to host dinner parties or even toddler playdates without worrying about the spills. Okay, next tip is tip number 4. Thoughtfully plan details that create functional beauty. And what I mean by functional beauty is when you need storage, think about how it can be unique and functional. Incorporate storage in creative ways so that you're happy that you have it and you're really proud to show it off because it's got some interesting design elements. Think understair pullouts or bookshelves that turn into secret rooms, which is one of my favorites, or even a multifunctional piece. In a condo, I once recommended a coffee table that had integrated storage, but also a lift up that allowed the client to work from the sofa and have their laptop on a lift because there really wasn't enough space for a separate office. Those kinds of functional details can be unique, but also really purposeful in your space. Okay, finally, tip number 5. Add your personal touch with objects or art. The most important way to spark joy in your living space is by adding these elements that have personal connections to you. Display a picture of that perfect moment in your likely chaotic family vacation, or a beautiful piece of art that you found and you really truly love. Maybe you found it when you were traveling. Don't be shy to add these pieces that remind you of the happy moments, or even the beautifully chaotic ones. For instance, I really love creating a gallery wall of family photos mixed with travel souvenirs in a hallway. It makes walking down the hall feel like a trip down memory lane. Okay, those are my top 5 tips to spark joy in your living space. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you found these tips inspiring and will help you create a home that you truly love. If you're planning a renovation, I highly recommend downloading our free How to Prepare for Your Renovation checklist at aligninteriordesign.ca/reno. I'm Rebecca Foster, and I'll be here with tips on how to help you design a space that brings you joy every single day.